Welcome back to another video with the Guest Institute demonstrating how to utilize and how to stack the side table, which is also known as the waiter's friend or a dummy waiter. So in this video we will be demonstrating how we are going to store all these equipments that will be utilized during the service in our side table. Now remember, the side table is a very important piece of furniture used in every restaurant. So our students here will demonstrate today of how we will be arranging our side table. So to start with, our side table has got a drawer, and this drawer will be used for storing or arranging one type of flatware. Flatware means cutlery, which we use in our restaurants for eating and serving purposes. So we have different types of forks, which include all-purpose fork, pastry forks, serving forks, fish forks, salad and dessert forks. So our student is demonstrating the first drawer, which is followed by the next compartment. The next drawer would be having another set of flatware, which is knives. So again we have different types of knives: all-purpose knives, fish knives, salad knives and the steak knives. Our third drawer is going to have the spoons. Again, we have spoons in different shapes and sizes and used for different purposes. So the most common is all-purpose spoon. We have dessert spoon, we have soup spoon, we have the serving spoon, we have teaspoons and coffee spoons. All these spoons need to be arranged systematically to make it easy for a steward to use them during the operations when he is with the guest. We also include these Sunday spoons, which are used for desserts or ice creams, and also the Chinese soup spoons, which are made of bone china and very popular in the Chinese restaurants. Once we have the top drawers arranged, we will have the compartments, the shelves below, where we are going to arrange the other equipment which is also essential during service. So we have divided the compartments, and the first compartment we are utilizing it for the dinnerware: cups, saucers, sauce boards, sugar caddies, things that we will be requiring during the service. We will have it ready and well arranged, wiped, cleaned, polished and ready to use. The next compartment is divided here for linen. We have wiping cloths, we have service cloths, we have tablecloths, we have runners and napkins. This is all backup for the next sitting. Or in case there is an accident, there is a spillage, we have to replace these from the side stand. The last compartment here, we are going to utilize it for stationery, which includes our notepads, our KOTs, our menu cards, and any other kind of stationery that is used in a restaurant. We also have some storage at the back, below down, which can be used for equipments that are miscellaneous and not frequently used, like ashtrays, bud vases and things, which might not be essential to be used, but always better to keep it in your workplace. And finally, we have the tabletop where we use it for our water jugs, straws, pepper meals, toothpicks, and trays. Thanks for watching our video. We hope this brings a little information to you.